If your Maytag dryer keeps running way too long, or shuts off while your clothes are still wet, listen up, this one's for you. First, unplug your dryer. Safety always comes first. Now let's find the moisture sensor. It's usually inside the drum, near the lint filter. See those two metal bars? Those are the sensors. If your dryer isn't sensing moisture, those bars might be dirty. Grab a soft cloth and a little rubbing alcohol. Gently wipe down the bars to remove any buildup from dryer sheets or lint. That's often all it takes. Still not working? Check your dryer's settings. Make sure you're using an automatic cycle, not a timed one. Automatic cycles use the sensor, but timed cycles do not. If the sensor's clean and you're still having trouble, you may need a replacement sensor. Check your owner's manual for part numbers or call a professional. Remember, most sensor issues are just dirt or wrong settings. Give these steps a try before calling for repairs. That's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot your Maytag dryer's moisture sensor. Want more quick home fixes? Hit subscribe and keep your home running smooth.